So you want to remove non-numbers. We want to clean up our data. We want to make it look nice. We want it to feel nice and actually be nice. We want to remove symbols from like ID, or we want to strip symbols from a username. Sometimes if we're trying to create users and we have some types of like non-numbers and non-letters, we want to strip all those. Or even we want to turn some kind of currency. If we have this like information that we don't need here. We have like a dollar sign, we don't need it, we just want the raw number, or we want to clean up packaging labels, or we want to like clean up file names that have just non-numbers and non-letters. Get rid of all those. This is how we do it. We're going to do equals regex, and there are three types of regular expression formulas. There's match, extract, and replace. Match just tells us if that exists. Extract says just get that one out of there, but replace, which we're going to use right now, Regexreplace, is going to say if you have it, replace it with this thing that I want you to replace it with. And in our particular case of removing non-numbers, we're going to replace it with nothing. So we're going to do Regexreplace, and we're going to have a little bit of a code here. This code is going to need the text, so we say B3, then comma, and then we're going to need what are we searching for, which in quotes is going to be surrounded by square brackets. And we're going to say, actually, we have this little caret icon. On my laptop, it's above the 6. On your laptop and keyboard, it might be different. It's sort of like a up arrow kind of thing, a caret or chevron. And now we're going to say anything that's not this. So this means not. Like, look for anything that's not these things. So we have 3 pieces of information that we need to give it, which is A-Z, lowercase, and regex is very, very specific. So we need to also include capital A and capital Z with a hyphen. So this is saying look for any lowercase letter and any uppercase letter, but anything that's not those. But there's one more item we need to add in here, which is 0-9. It needs to also include the numbers. So this is saying just letters, just numbers, but anything that's not that. And that's what that chevron over there is saying. And then we're saying, okay, what do we want out of this? When we find these things, what do we want to replace them with? If I add a comma right away, I can see that this is correct. This is exactly what I want. I want nothing else. I just want to remove. I don't want to replace with a space. I don't want to replace with something else. I want to replace with nothing. And so I could leave this here like this, end parentheses. But for completion's sake, I'm going to add 2 quotes. 2 quotes with no space in between them. This is saying just replace everything that's not a letter and not a number with nothing. And end parentheses and hit enter. And I can copy and paste this down. And I can see, oh, there's a value because it expects text value. Maybe I have this format wrong. I need to go and change it to plain text, and there it goes. But see, also, just to be aware, it is also deleting this dot. So some currencies, if you have these, like in US dollars, we have dot cents, dollars dot cents. But in some currencies, it is just like all commas, like this. That's okay in this way, but you might be losing some data if you're really turning this currency into just the raw numbers. Just to be aware of that. Here's Apple box, Apple 5 box, but it looks like Apple number 5 got rid of all of those. And we could copy and paste this down, Command C, Command V. There's one other thing we can do here to make our lives a little bit easier, is once we have one formula for Regexreplace, we can wrap it with Arrayformula. Arrayformula gives us a superpower which says take this text that we're looking at, B3, and change it to B3:B. B3:B means look at the entire column from B, third down. Hit enter, and there's all of our results with one formula. I think that's really cool. I think these 2 formulas together are absolute magic. Regexreplace and Arrayformula. Hope you enjoyed this video.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.